Now the most important things for our lovely subscribers, move on to the next page, but don't worry, you are lovely subscribers of Techie Zilla channel, and we are giving you the crux of how to fill this particular form. If you aren't able to still fill up this form, seeing those error messages, try. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on Techie Zilla channel. Today we'll be going to discuss about the 30 days of Google Cloud challenge, and as you might have already guessed, the registration forms are out. So if you land on the index page of the Google Cloud, the link is in the description box below. This page has been updated. The enrollment form is here, so you can click over here. You'll be redirected to this particular form. You can scroll down, see all the goodies that they are offering. We have already described all the goodies in the previous video. If you haven't watched that particular video, I will encourage you to have a look in there. The link is also in the description box below. You'll click on next. We'll be redirected to the terms and condition, which basically says that you are 18 years of age and you agree to Google Cloud training and campus facilitators tracking your grades and other activities by the learning program. You can accept these terms, click on next. Once you click on next, you can fill in your name here, your email ID here. Now this email ID should also match the email ID that is given in the Qwiklabs public profile. You confirm your email ID, confirm your gender. So you can scroll down here, select any of the college that you belong to. If you aren't really sure and your college is not here, what you can do is reach out to DSC leads and see who is willing to help you and can enroll in their particular college. Once you do that, you can select your year of graduation from here. You can select 2021, 22, 23 or 24 or after. In here, they are asking for a working internet connection with a laptop with latest Chrome browser. You can select yes here. Then they obviously ask you, do you have an account on Qwiklabs, which we already told you to make one. If you haven't watched that video, I will seriously encourage you to make your Qwiklabs public profile watching this particular video. It's on our channel. You'll have the link in the I button as well as in the description box below. You can see this particular video. Make sure you watch this video completely, don't miss out any step. Create a public profile. Say here that you already have the public profile. Let me fill up the form here. So now, as you can see, we have filled up the form. We have filled our name, our email ID, the gender, selected a random institution here for demonstration purposes. Please select the institution that you belong to or contact the facilitators and see who is willing to help you and join their particular institution. Now click on next. So now you guys can see we have instruction to create Qwiklab accounts with a different email. They say that if you already have a brand account with that particular email, you already have completed some challenges, don't use the same email. It won't be true for people who are joining the Qwiklabs for the very first time. So if you have created a public profile using a new email address that hasn't been registered with google.qwiklabs.com, you are good to go. If you haven't, then I would suggest that you'll make a public profile. Again, for that, please refer to the video on our channel. The link is in the description below. Once you have that ready, click on I verify, click on next. Then you come in here. They say great, you have a Qwiklabs account. Please do remember, share your profile below so that we can track your progress. They give you specific instruction. You have to log into google.qwiklabs.com. then you go to profile activity tab, and then you click on the blue button which says make profile public. Now this is very essential steps. We have discussed all these steps in the video for making the Qwiklabs public profile. Please refer to that video, don't miss out any step. If you miss out any of these steps, your progress won't be tracked and you won't be eligible for the swags and the prizes. So make sure you watch the complete video on how to make Qwiklabs public profile. Ensure that you are following all these steps that are given there. Once you do that, once the page loads, you will be on your profile page. Now copy the browser URL, that is your profile URL. They have also shown you the image here. You can click on the profile page, go to the make profile public. You can copy that particular Qwiklab page, and it should look something like this. It should be google.qwiklabs.com public profiles, and then your profile ID. You can copy your the link to your profile and then paste it over here. For now, I will just copy paste this. Please do not copy paste this particular URL. This is not a valid URL. I am again doing this for demonstration purposes only, so it would look something like this. And you can click on I acknowledge, that you declare that the information is correct. And once you are ready, you will get the instruction to claim your free credits pass on Qwiklabs, the timelines of the program, and what's the last date to get the chance at those prizes. Please remember, this is a 1 month program. You have to be really very proactive, doing all the things, and you don't have to worry. You are lovely subscribers of Techie Zilla channel. Thank you for showing us so much love. And since you already have shown us so much love, you can get all the updates on our Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group, and we'll post up all the updates here. Once you see this particular program, you can click on the resources for the 30 days of Google Cloud. Once you click on this particular link, you'll be redirected to this particular page, and once you're on this page, you'll find that we have accumulated all the resources that will help you to complete your 30 days of Google Cloud program and win all the swags that are out there to be won from Google. So what you can do is, this is track 1 for Google engineering, the cloud engineering track. You can see the labs for skill badge 1. Here is the lab link which you can see on Qwiklabs. And if you are really curious to know, if you aren't able to really solve the lab on its own, you can refer to this particular YouTube tutorial for this particular lab, and so on and so forth. You can refer to videos for skill badge 2, skill badge 3, so on and so forth. And if you scroll a little bit more, you will also find the track 2 data science and machine learning track. All the labs and all the YouTube links have been updated, so please hurry up, don't waste any more time. And remember, once you come back to this particular form, you will see the note that if you have provided a wrong Qwiklabs profile URL above, then you won't receive this email, and you will only receive this email once. So please do remember to bookmark or star it once you get it. Don't forget to look under the spam or promotions folder. And of course, if you have any queries, do remember to reach out to campus facilitators, which will help you to have in the program. If you have any doubts regarding the program, you can reach out to us. Mention all your doubts in the description box below, or post it on the Telegram channel. And we also have a Discord server where we are discussing all the things, all the doubts that people are having. We have an amazing community on Discord. Please join it. Please join the Discord server. Post up your questions. We'll make sure to reply to the best of our knowledge and help you complete all this program and win those awesome goodies. And now you can click on submit. I'm not gonna do it in this particular video because I don't want to waste a spot just for a dummy profile, because one of you lucky guys can click on submit and reserve a chance in the program. So all the best to you guys. If you have any questions, again, please mention that on the Discord server. Our team is working 24/7 answering all the doubts that you have. If you like all the updates that we are bringing in, please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with rest of the students so that they can be helped and are able to fill up this form fast. Remember that this form is restricted to just 50,000 enrollments, and it will automatically be closed by Google soon as 50,000 enrollments are reached. Now the most important things for our lovely subscribers, because you have been watching this video for a long time, I wanted to place it at towards the end of the video, because I wanted to share this technique with only our lovely subscribers. I know this form was opened up at 5 p.m. IST on 22nd of September, and people are trying out and they are constantly receiving error for too many requests. The error would look something like this. They aren't able to open up the form, or maybe move on to the next page. But don't worry, you are lovely subscribers of Techie Zilla channel, and we are giving you the crux of how to fill this particular form. If you aren't able to still fill up this form, seeing those error messages, try at every 10 minutes interval. So for example, if it is 12:40 a.m., try on 12:40 a.m., then try on 12:50 a.m., then try on 1 a.m. Just remember, Google is opening this particular form at every 10 a.m. intervals because there was a lot of traffic from all over India, just because there are just 50,000 seats available in the program, and this form is for colleges all over India. So they have this particular solution to sort this out. We are giving you out the crux of what is being decided. And of course, if you're liking this video, if you're liking all the instruction that we are bringing to you, please make sure to subscribe the channel, like the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.